Good morning, YouTube. Solar Instinct here, getting the power washer warmed up. There's the water softener. We're going to be working on a flat foam roof today. Setup's ready. As you can see, the buildup at the bottom of every single panel there. Once it looks like that, you know you got a problem. It drops efficiency eventually from 15 all the way to 20%. Cleaning each panel, removing all the buildup. Air dries to perfection since the water is soft. I did offer a downspout cleaning. I did not include it in this video. They had congested downspouts. A little faster than real life. It is a time lapse. Cloudy day here in Southern California. This job took around 25 minutes to complete. 30 minutes latest. As you can see here, the finishing result. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.